Let's look and see if a number is divisible by 6, 4 and 8. Now these divisibility tests rely on others we've already done. If a number is divisible by 6, we also know that it's going to be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So we know how to work those out because we've already seen those. If it's divisible by 2, it's even. If it's divisible by 3, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So we apply those two tests and that will tell us. So if you look at some of these numbers, 6 is even and the sum of the digits is 6. 18 is even and the sum of the digits, 1 plus 8 is 9. That's divisible by 3. So let's try some other numbers. 357. Well, remember, needs to be even because it's got to be divisible by 2. And that's not even, so we don't need to check anything else. If it's not even, it won't be divisible by 6. 108. Well, it is even, but it also needs to have the sum of the digits divisible by 3. If we actually add the sum of the digits up, we get 1 plus 0, which is 1, plus 8, which equals 9. And that's divisible by 3. So 108 is both even and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So 108 is divisible by 6. Now to find out if a number is divisible by 4, we need to be able to halve it twice. Well, if we can halve something, it has to be even. And when we divide by 2, we take half. And if we can take half, it's going to be divisible by 2. Well, we do that twice. So if we think about it being even, that's our first condition. We can check numbers using that first. So 36 is actually even. Half of 36 is 18. Half of 18 equals 9. We can take half of 36 twice, so 36 is divisible by 4. 93. Well, it must be even, remember, because we need to take half twice. So 93 is not even. It can't be divisible by 4. Is a number divisible by 8? Well, we actually know that it is if we can halve it 3 times. So it has to be even. 36, can we take half? Well, it's even, so we can. Half of 36 is 18. And we know we can take half again because we already saw that, which means it's divisible by 4. But to be divisible by 8, we need to be able to take half again. And 9 is not even, so we can't take half again. 36 is not divisible by 8. What about 64? 32 is even, so we can take half again. Half of 32 is 16, and that's even, so we can take half of that again. Half of 16 is 8. So we can halve 64 3 times, and that means it's divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 4 if we can halve it twice, and a number is divisible by 8 if it can be halved 3 times.